Holy smokes! Holy mackerel! Holy cow! Holy sheep!
Brought to you by Cousin Polly's Psychic Parrot Network. Are you traveling in darkness or spooked about the next episode being preempted? Chat with a live, vividly colored telepath now. Erstwhile on an unwritten episode of Grave Mood Rings.
Reunite! True love!
Cousin Polly will be reunited with the Viscountess? Shiraz!
And now for part 2 of 1 of Cousin Polly Predicts.
Attention Vitchmick haulers. Look up, look around. The blue light is flashing once again, and this time in the lavandry. Cousin Polly has a special on an important reading for all residents.
Not little old me. I'm done and dusted, and I have a second home. Now to punch the time clock.
Dr. Mikhailovich! Ghosts of the soldiers dead! Return! Exact revenge upon you!
For the last time, I'm not a veteran. I'm a pacifist. I was never in a war. Or was I?
Skull! Returned to life! Reunited with body! But is still a skeleton! Can only get a job on graveyard shift as cab driver! With Scully Cat!
But the Viscountess, please tell us more, we implore you.
Vitchmick Hall destroyed! To dust return! Pile of debris when last of line dies!
Wait, we're the last of the line, but technically we're already dead. And the hall stands about us. This is far too confusing.
Forgot my purse. I'm not really here.
Wincha May loses lung capacity from dusting and breathes her last. Kicks the mop bucket. No more secret saxophone.
Oh, I know what's going on here. The old gal gets all gloomy and doomy when she isn't fed. My fault. Being a psychic phenomenal apparition, she doesn't need to be fed, but you try telling her that.
How did this storyline necessitate a 2-part episode?
For an answer to something that mysterious, I'd recommend calling the Psychic Parrot Network.
Good thinking, Doctor. Cousin Polly will be reunited with the Viscountess?